Welcome to ClickMyProject.com. Now we discuss about college attendance management system. Let's see abstract. Abstract. Attendance management is important to every single organization. It can decide whether or not an organization, such as an educational institutions, public or private sector, will be successful in the future. Organization will have to keep a track of people within the organization such as employees and students to maximize their performance. Managing student attendance during the lecture periods has become a difficult challenge. The ability to compute the attendance percentage becomes a major task as a manual computation produces errors and wastes a lot of time. For the standard reason, an efficient web-based application for attendance management system is designed to track the students' activity in the class. This application takes the attendance electronically and the record of the attendance are storing in a database. Next we discuss about flow diagram. We have the three login pages. One is the admin, one is the teacher, another one is the student. First of all, admin, we see the admin pages. In our admin pages we have the add departments and add the teachers, view the teachers, update teachers and delete the all the teacher and managing the total teachers. And the students also same, add and view and update the all the students. Then student attendance, take the attendance of the students in by department wise in this admin page. Next, teacher. In the teacher we have add department and add the students and put the attendance to the student. Here we have each and every teacher has the different username and password. In next is student is the student viewing the total how many days present, how many days absent, total number of days, the percentage. That's all to the flow diagram. Good morning. This is college attendance app, and this is have three login pages. One is admin, one is teachers, one is students. The admin pages, these are the admin page login. Admin manage the teachers and the students all the details. Admin pages passwords and username and passwords are admin password is 123456 is a default. Then press login. In this section we have the four options. Teachers. First, teachers means all the teachers names are listed in the page. Wait, loading. This the list. Employee number and the teachers names are displayed in this. Then another one, floating icon, click plus icon is there. Plus means register the teachers names, employee ID, teacher's date of birth means automatically open the calendar page. This select the date and year. And we enter the password of the teachers. We enter sample 123456 and press register means automatically another toast message are displayed, register successfully. Back we see that person teacher's name Morgan. If you want to edit means app press edit. Details are ready to edit. If you want delete means press delete. Then go to student pages. We enter the student's details. In this admin panel, we all edit the manage see that the students attendance and press to put the students attendance also. Enter the student password and select the course of the student. Automatically display all the course available. Press register. Our toast message is displayed registered successfully, and get back. Then go to attendance. In attendance wise, our name of the student is there are display. Our student name is students. First date present, and select if you want anything date in about top side, left side of the date icon. Then press one option and one present will be selected. Back. Now course, go to the course. We display all the courses available. Then we my courses, the student profiles display and total present and total absence are there. See one if you edit all the 12 student details, if you want to edit means go to the, if you want to edit means delete. This is managing the student. Then log out. Sorry, the course will be, go to the course. If you want to add course means go to course. Then add course name, example CSE. Allowed students 100 means 100. What if you want, how much students you want to. Back, added CSE in that row. Back, then log out. Then go to the teachers. If you register mail ID at murugan@gmail.com, enter that mail ID in the login page, and password is 123456. Login. We will see the teacher's profiles, our profile. Then click all the details of students. Course attendance is the same as the admin panel. Editing the options are all the same as the admin panel. We are give to the authentication to the teachers also. Then log out. Students icon, go to the students. They register mail ID. Students register mail ID. Put the student register mail ID. Students@gmail.com. Password is 123456. Press login. Login successfully. We will see that the student data details of all the details, total number of days present, total absent days, and change if you want to profile picture. We choose profile pictures. Select if this emulator, so no images are there. Wait a minute. Taking on camera picture of the emulator. Wait a second. Then choose the picture and go to the gallery. If you have one small sample picture of sample picture, then enter, then click upload. profile picture is changed. Enter mail sorry logout. If you enter mail ID format is not wrongly, means it's mentioned that mail ID format is wrong. Put the correct mail address format, so only login. See, now image is desetted. That's all. Then logout. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video.